Today, a new rumor hinted at a detailed look at what to anticipate from next year's iPhone 17 lineup. The lineup is purportedly indicated to add 4 new models, including the all-new form factor iPhone 17 Slim. Moreover, it seems like Apple could finally address one of the most common display complaints of the iPhone lineup. The rumor was highlighted by Ice Universe, a prolific tipster on Weibo, who recently posted a chart with a full breakdown of the iPhone 17 lineup. iPhone 17, 6.27-inch LTPO display. iPhone 17 Slim, 6.65-inch LTPO display. iPhone 17 Pro, 6.27-inch LTPO display. iPhone 17 Pro Max, 6.86-inch LTPO display. According to the rumor, each iPhone 17 model is expected to use an LTPO, low-temperature polycrystalline oxide, display. This means that the entire iPhone 17 lineup can provide promotion support with up to 120 Hz. However, the rumor said that the iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Slim will use the A19 processor and have 8GB RAM, while the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max will use the A19 Pro with 12GB RAM. Furthermore, a renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has tipped a 24MP selfie camera for iPhone 17 refresh rates for the first time. Historically, only the Pro and Pro Max models have featured promotion.